channel. So the backpack is ready. So we'll be traveling to Oli. The plan is from here we'll be traveling from Delhi to Rishikesh, then from Rishikesh to Oli and stay in Oli. Then we'll go to Chopta, and Chopta will have trekking to Tunganath. Then from Chopta we'll come to Rishikesh and enjoy the new year. See you in the journey. So finally we have reached Haridwar station. It's 6:30 AM in the morning. From here we will be heading to Joshimath in our hired car. Swift Desire hired from Haridwar to Joshimath, and there we will stay. And the next day will be the trip to Oli. Chalo guys, see ya. So when you reach the Haridwar station, you have to register yourself, your address where you will be heading to, and then only you can leave the station. So good morning guys. So we are on the way to Oli, Joshimath. केदारनाथ यहाँ से 242 किलोमीटर है. This is the car with which we are going. Guys, this is Devrayag, the merger of the two regions. So this is where the river Alaknanda and the Bhagirathi meets and leads to formation of Ganga, which flows through Haridwar and Rishikesh. So very good morning guys. Sorry, couldn't connect in the late evening. So we moved from the last point was Devrayag, then we moved to Joshimath. In between we had lunch and all, so it stretched a lot. Then we reached Joshimath, but our hotel was in Govind Ghat, that is, you can say, 18 kilometers from there. And finally we have reached our hotel. This is our hotel, and I'll just show you the mirror. Let's see. It is quite awesome view that we are getting from it. And yeah, I've checked the reviews of this hotel, and after checking the reviews only I have booked it. It is a bit far. We have to stretch a lot because we have to get up early, then we have to go to the cable car and we have to get tickets done. So we'll see. Hopefully we'll get the ticket and then we'll go. The last snowfall that we had here was in Oli around a week back. So we'll check. Hopefully it should happen today. But in the top point there's always snow. So hope for the best. Okay. I'll just leave you with some view. One thing I didn't tell you, that this place is very close to Badrinath. Okay, and it is very close to Badrinath, and in Badrinath it is very cold here. Sorry, it is very like close to one. It is around 25 kilometers from there. If you want to go to Hemkund Sahib, you've heard about Hemkund trek, so it is also nearby. Hemkut Sahib. Valley of Flowers is also here nearby, and we are 271 kilometers from Rishikesh. So yeah, we can go there, but due to heavy snow there, the roads are blocked. To Badrinath and to the Valley of Flowers, we can trek there if you want to. So if you have time, you can come here, visit Oli, then you can go to the further places also. So now it is around you can say 6:45, so 7 a.m. around. We'll check out from here and we'll leave for Oli, and once we reach there I'll be back. Okay, so yeah. So guys, welcome back. So here we are nearby ropeway Oli. So yeah, so we have to check out early in the morning from the hotel. It was around 7:30 and around, and then we have reached the ropeway ticket counter. After reaching the ticket counter, there was a huge line there. We have to wait a lot, but somehow we got a ticket for 12:35 somehow. And yeah, we will go there. We are trolley. We just had our breakfast in the meantime, and once we will reach there, we'll show you the view. You can see the view from here also. It is in Joshimath. It is breathtaking view. Okay guys, see ya. So after a lot of hassle that I have to face in the line, in the queue for the trolley ticket, I finally got the trolley ticket for 11:30 a.m. in the morning, and we were in the trolley and we saw some glimpses of snow, and we were about to reach Oli.
Soundstripe.
Also, we saw the artificial lake in Oli, which was almost frozen, and we were just about to reach our point in Oli. And after reaching the point in Oli, we got down, and we have to take the horses here to reach the snow point. That is, around 3 to 4 kilometers from here. So you can also trek from here by walking, but we were so tired that we have to take horses. So guys, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं घोड़े पे. देख सकते हो, ये है ओली का नज़ारा. ये हमारा टुकटुकिया घोड़ा. अब हम जा रहे हैं स्नो पॉइंट पे, जहाँ पर स्कीइंग और ये सब कुछ होगा. काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पर. So guys, welcome back. We are in Oli. आप देख सकते हो नज़ारा यहाँ पर. बर्फ ही बर्फ है यहाँ पर, जबकि 4 दिन पहले यहाँ स्नोफॉल हुआ था. ज़्यादा बर्फ़ तो नहीं है यहाँ पर, बट हाँ, हमें 3 किलोमीटर ऊपर ट्रैक करके ही जाना पड़ा. सो फाइनली हम लोग यहाँ पहुँच गए, और यहाँ से 360 काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पर. अब हम यहाँ से 360 व्यू वाले पॉइंट पे जाएंगे, वहाँ से देखेंगे एंड तब तक आपको यहाँ से मैं बैक कैमरा सो फाइनली किसी तरह हमें टिकट मिला, हम यहाँ पर आए। हमें यहाँ से घोड़े करने पड़े। घोड़ों के चार्ज 1000 रुपये पर पर्सन थे। घोड़े करने के बाद हम यहाँ एक पॉइंट पे वो छोड़ते हैं जहाँ पर स्कीइंग आप कर सकते हो। स्कीइंग करने का चार्ज कुछ 500 वो बता रहे थे। आप ट्यूब स्लाइड भी कर सकते हो, वो आपका 100 रुपीज़ कुछ लेता है। तो हमने वो भी किया एंड इट वाज फन। एंड मैं काफ़ी देर से बैठा हूँ, मेरा बैग जो है फ्रीज़ हो गया है यहाँ पर, जस्ट आपको ये दिखाने के लिए। अब मैं थोड़ा उठ के और ऊपर जाऊँगा। चलो So finally we are back to Joshimath after our trip Oli via cable car. You can see the left side is a SBI ATM and right side is a booking counter for the trolley if you want to book the ticket. Let's see if I can find a good restaurant because I'm very hungry for dinner or snacks, whatever you call it. So this was the trip to Oli, guys. I know it has been a long time since my last video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos which will come very soon. Till then, see ya, take care, have a good day.